Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, September 22nd, 2023. It is 1:38 and 3 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, T-cell fighting cancer. So let's hop to it here. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say reducing stress on T-cells makes them better cancer fighters. Date September 20th. 1923. Source: Salk Institute. The scientists discovered a relationship between the immune system's killer T cells and the body's sympathetic stress response, fight or flight, in varying cancer types, in mouse and human tissue samples, finding that killer T cells and sympathetic stress response hormones interact to exhaust killer T cells, but that exhaustion can be inhibited with beta blockers. The findings demonstrate the benefits of pairing beta blockers with existing immunotherapies to improve cancer treatment. There is no question immunotherapy has revolutionized cancer patient treatment, but there are many patients for whom it is ineffective. Finding that our nervous system can suppress the function of cancer-destroying immune cells opens up entirely new ways to think about how to rejuvenate T cells in tumors. The researchers focus on sympathetic nerves that innervate our organs and produce the messenger hormone, noradrenaline, which is also a stress hormone. The scientists used a variety of cancer and chronic illness models in mice and human tissue samples to study when and how killer T cells are influenced by the sympathetic nerves. They found that the sympathetic nerves were producing noradrenaline, which was binding to killer T cells using a receptor called ADRB1. Exhausted killer T cells expressed more ADRB1 receptors than their functional counterparts, allowing the T cells to listen to the noradrenaline released by the nerves. And to test whether killer T cell exhaustion could be prevented, the researchers tested two approaches to intercepting noradrenaline and ADRB1 interaction, either removing ADRB1 altogether or impairing ADRB1 function with beta blockers, which resulted in more functional killer T cells that were better at destroying cancer cells. The scientific investigators and microbiologists also found that the exhausted T cells do not just listen to nerves from afar, but cluster right around them in tissues. Surprisingly, the ADRB1 receptor provided the T cells with critical instructions to migrate near the nerves, which in turn suppress their functions, making them worse at fighting cancer. The innervation of tumors is an understudied area of tumor immunology. The study has now uncovered that nerves contribute to the process of T cell exhaustion in tumors, where T cells become worn out and less powerful in their fight against the tumor over time. If we can unravel the details of how nerves suppress the body's immune response to cancer and why the exhausted T cells move towards the nerves, we can begin to target this process therapeutically. The researchers hope to expand their understanding of the exhausted killer T cell environment to learn more about why stress makes us sicker. And since beta blockers are already clinically used, the team also hopes to implement their proposed cancer-fighting regimen soon in patients with lung cancer. And by partnering with clinicians, they hope to study more human cancer tissue samples to enrich their findings and provide further evidence of the efficacy of beta blockers in cancer treatment. And this is a Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.